These are the elevators at the Sarasota Memorial Hospital Heart Pavillion in Sarasota, Florida. Clearly this one isn't doing so well. Let's go to 4. This is attached to the brand new Floyd parking garage. So the indicator changes immediately, just like a Kone. Probably installed late 80s or early 90s. Notice how at the beginning of the video, there was a circle labeled A. So this is not to be confused with the A elevators in the main hospital. This is a separate building with its own alphabetical labeling. The B elevator is right around the corner, and we're going to film that one too. Let's go up to 4. This one, cab is really shiny. Let's go down to 1. Here's your emergency phone. Expiration August 2026. Got a directory inside this elevator. Both of these are making some strange noises, but they still do the job fine. Yeah, these cabs, really shiny. Some of this might have to do with construction next door, not the elevator. And that'll be it.